Arctic warbler.
It's all coming together. Hey, you want to stop doing that?
Oh, yeah, sure. I can continue playing, no problem.
Hey, do you want to say that again?
Yeah, I can't actually continue playing to drown out your stupid-ass little bird noises.
Yeah, they're not noises. They're actually bird mating calls. Beautiful mating calls.
Oh, that's so cute.
You know who I am? I'm K. Broyles Conley, and I'm the top composer of this academy. Who the f*** are you?
I'm actually Cordoni Von McNug, and I'm working on a whale concerto in G major. Is that funny?
Confusing your compositions with whale noises, huh? Yeah, I did that 7 years ago. Not interested.
Oh, you did, little birdie bitch. You.
No, it needs to be done.
I know.
Let's go.
Let's go. I know that. But what you don't know is fish evolved from whales.
The whales aren't here yet.
Dude, I can't hear you.
The whales aren't here yet.
Oh, you're right.
V. McNug,
Royals.
ditch the pleasantries. Why do you have my score?
This is actually my score. Blue for the ocean, whales.
Okay, try sky blue for the sky, where the birds fly. I have deep blue for the ocean. Now these
Okay.
revisions you were talking about.
Well,
No time for
68
those.
measure variations, you don't care?
We have to tune up.
Okay, C sharp.
Let's go.